this way. Slide this way just a little. Good. Very good. All right, now we'll go the other way. That feel all right?
Yes, oh my gosh.
Very good. Good. All right, let's cross right here. Good. Very good. All right. All right, back over. Very good. This way. And breathe in and out. Good. Ooh, that was a good one. One more time here. In and out. Okay, let's see what we got here. Nice and easy, just relax right there. One more. Good. Same thing going this way. One more. Good. All right, now go. Go ahead, breathe in and out. That was good. Let's go right there again. Right there. Breathe in, hold it. Good, relax. All right. Nice and easy here. Relax the shoulders back. Perfect. So I'm gonna keep that relaxed. One more. Good. Okay, now there it is. Very good. Relaxed here. Very good. Let's do this side. Two tickets to take engage. Breathe in and out. Good. Again. Good. Now breathe in, hold it. Good. All the way down. Do one more right there. Good. We're back in line. Good. Relax. Good. Go the other way. Here now. Very good. Same thing here. Okay, one more. Perfect. Okay, I want you to go ahead and breathe in and out for me. Very good. Relax the back. Good. Again, in and out. Good. Now I'm going to come up here a little higher there. Go ahead, in and out again. Perfect. Head over the opposite way, and I'm going to push right there. Just keep it nice and relaxed. Perfect. We're going to get this left side here first. Nice and easy. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. All right, now lay on your back. Also, next here, I'm going to lift your head, tilt you here. Good. Same thing this side. Good. One more. Good. A little one on. I'm going to hold here and here. You take a deep breath in, let it all the way out. Perfect. Good. Again. Good. Now, breathe in and hold your breath. Perfect. All right, relax. Good. Keep your back relaxed. Good. Again, one more time, in and out. Now breathe in, hold it in. Good, all the way out. Correlate with tight hamstrings, so make sure you keep stretching those hamstrings. Nice and easy here. Very good. Tighter on this side too, and this is actually the hamstring that's tighter. All right, nice and easy. Oh, perfect. Just keep everything nice and relaxed here. Just let your head drop into my hand here. Good. Good. Alright, now let's do this side. There. Same thing here. Keep it nice and relaxed. Perfect. Good. She knows the routine already, but go ahead, breathe in and out again for me. Good. Good. Again. Good. Now breathe in and hold it in. Good. Nice and easy here. Good. Nice. This way just a little bit. Good. Very good. Okay, now. Very good. 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 All right, keep this nice and relaxed here. Very good. Okay, now. Good. Nice and easy. That was good.
That was so good.
Good. And again, she was already moving before I even tried. Good. Now breathe in, hold it in. Perfect. Now keep this back here. Keep this nice and relaxed right there. Good. So we'll start right here. All right, you go ahead and breathe in and all the way out. Relax the back. Good. Good. Okay, again, breathe in all the way out. Good. Now breathe in, hold your breath. Good. Relax. Good. Good. Relax. Right here. Perfect. Let's do this side. Keep that nice and relaxed. Perfect. That was perfect. Now feel all right? Good. All right, we're gonna roll you this way. Keep it all relaxed. Perfect. All right, on your back. Good. Perfect. Feel all right?
Mm-hmm.
See the smile? Now let's go this way. Same thing here. Perfect. Very
Just relax your head down. There you go. Good. Alright, let's go that side.